The derivation of CS183 VC comes specifically from Lecture 19 of CS183E for Edit. Lecture 19 is retire on the job. And there's nothing better than to retire on one high-paying job where you're a software engineer, or you're a forward deployed engineer, or you are some sort of engineer who has got their Fortune 500 job down to a simple practice where in 35 hours a week. So you're retired on the job and you're able to dabble in another hobby. So many people moonlight doing something, and the job that you want to moonlight is an engineer. So that's why timing is incredibly helpful and important, and that's why CS183 VC is a spin out of Lecture 19 CS183E, because while we're retired on the job for an engineering job, we want to consult and dabble and do investment. As far as not investing our own cash and our money, we want to invest lines and lines of computer code. We want to help other CS majors do sales and distribution of an existing product. That's how we will invest. That's how we will build equity. You don't need money to make money. You definitely don't need VC to make money, which is why it's called CS183 VC, because you actually need computer science way more than you need VC. What you need are a handful of signature recipes that are from CS183E, where we're resuscitating a cadaver. So CS183 VC rests on 5 courses that are free. And when I say Stanford University, that should not intimidate you. All these classes are on YouTube. So the 5 classes that CS183 VC rests on are these: Engineering 145. If you want to grab a pen, these are all free. Engineering 145 is hashtag ENGR145. There's a Peter Thiel class on startup. It's called Startup. It's CS183S. That's class number 2. That's also free. CS183B, as in boy, was taught by Sam Altman 2012 winter. CS183B. It's hashtag CS183B. Followed up by another VC. See a trend here? VC's teaching people for free. CS183C is taught by Reid Hoffman. Yes, the non-employee co-founder of PayPal, the non-employee co-founder of his own company, LinkedIn, which later he went and worked for, but he had a slew of other non-employee co-founders. So he was retired on the job, investing, and then participating as an active advisor. So that's class number 4, is CS183C. That was taught by Reid Hoffman. All those lectures, he's a VC at Greylock. All those lectures are available online. Last class is Engineering 145. I know I said that twice, but Engineering 145 has been taught for over 10 years. Tom Byers, Tom Koznick started it with Randy Komisar. Oh, surprise, another VC taught. So we want to take all these genius things that VCs have taught us and have tried to teach us. We want to try to then make it actionable. We want to try to make it digestible. We want to have a do to it, which is what CS183 DO is doing something with some of this genius stuff. That's what CS183 VC is meant to curate, where you're doing a little bit and you're curating a little bit. You're doing and you're taking notes, and you are, got a notebook right here that I'll be sharing in the next segment. In fact, that's a great segue into the next segment.